Do you really need a big budget to build a brand that connects? The short answer is no. In this video, I will answer the most common burning questions MSME entrepreneurs have, from creating a unique identity to building trust with customers so your brand stands out and truly resonates. Hi, I am Abanibhusan, Bera, an MSME growth strategist and sales coach, and this is the AI powered MSME Growth Hub, the channel where entrepreneurs like you unlock real world strategies to scale your business, grow revenue, and harness the power of AI without the big consulting budgets. Over the last 3 decades, I have worked with MSMEs and MNCs across India, and now I am on a mission to help 100,000 MSMEs achieve unstoppable growth. If you are ready to accelerate your journey, let's dive right into today's powerful insight. First question: what does it mean to resonate with your target audience? To resonate with your target audience means that your brand aligns with their values, solves their problems, and evokes an emotional connection. It's about making your customers feel understood and valued. Here is a pro tip for industrial automation MSMEs. If you are in the industrial automation space, your audience likely values efficiency and innovation. Your brand messaging should emphasize these traits with examples of how your products reduce downtime or optimize workflows. Use customer success stories to highlight these outcomes, creating relatability and trust. Number 2 question: how do I identify my target audience? Start by analyzing your existing customer base. Break it down into categories like industry, demographics, pain points, and purchase behavior, etc. This information will help you create a detailed customer persona. Here is an example for a distributor of foreign products. If you are a distributor of industrial sensors from a foreign principal, your target audience might be mid-sized manufacturing plants looking to improve precision and efficiency. A customer persona might look like this. Role would be operations manager. Pinpoint could be inconsistent quality control during production. Goal could be improving output consistency with reliable sensors. Focus your branding efforts on addressing these specific needs and aspirations. Third question: how do I make my brand stand out in a crowded market? To differentiate your brand, focus on your unique selling proposition. Your USP highlights what makes you different and better than your competitors. Here is a use case for a system integrator in B2B selling. If you are a system integrator offering end-to-end solutions for factories, your USP could be: we not only design and implement systems, but also provide post-installation support to minimize downtime and ensure seamless operations. Incorporate this USP into your messaging, marketing materials, and customer interactions. Use visuals, testimonials, and case studies to reinforce your value proposition. Fourth question: what role does storytelling play in branding? Storytelling humanizes your brand, making it relatable and memorable. Sharing your journey, values, or how your product has positively impacted customers can forge an emotional connection with your audience. Here is an example for a manufacturer. Let's say you manufacture eco-friendly packaging solutions. Your story might focus on your mission to reduce plastic waste and how you have helped businesses transition to sustainable packaging. Highlighting statistics such as how many tons of waste your packaging solutions have saved adds credibility to your narrative. Fifth question: should I invest in professional branding assets like logo, website, etc.? Answer is yes. Branding assets like professional logo, a cohesive website, and consistent visual identity are essential for building trust and credibility. These assets act as the face of your business and set you apart from competitors. Here is a pro tip for resellers. If you are reselling a foreign principals portfolio, make sure your branding aligns with the principles but also has its own identity. For example, use colors and designs that reflect the principal's products but add unique touches that reflect your business's local expertise and customer-centric approach. Sixth question: how do I keep my brand consistent across channels? Brand consistency is about delivering a unified message and experience across all touchpoints, whether it's your website, social media, or customer service interactions. Here is a tool tip. Create a brand style guide that includes your logo, color palette, tone of voice, and messaging guidelines. This ensures that everyone in your company, from your marketing team to your sales reps, represents the brand in a consistent manner. Seventh question is, how do I know if my branding is working? Track KPIs, the key performance indicators, to measure the impact of your branding efforts. Common KPIs include customer acquisition rate, customer retention rate, brand recall, that means how often people mention your brand, and finally engagement on social media, that is likes, comments, shares. Here is an example for B2B sellers. If you are selling industrial automation solutions, measure the number of inbound inquiries or the percentage of repeat business after rebranding your website or marketing materials. These metrics provide insights into whether your branding is resonating. Eighth question: what common branding mistakes should I avoid? Some common branding pitfalls include: A. Trying to appeal to everyone. Your brand can't please everyone. Focus on your target audience. B. Ignoring feedback. Listen to what your customers say about your brand and make improvements. C. Inconsistent messaging. Don't say one thing on your website and another in person. Consistency is key. Here is a use case for a distributor. If you are a distributor and you market itself as a premium supplier, but you send poorly designed brochures that will not reflect a premium image, align your branding with your claims. Your visuals, tone, and customer touchpoints must reflect your positioning. Ninth question: how can I build trust with my brand? Building trust requires authenticity, transparency, and delivering on your promises. Share testimonials and reviews from satisfied customers. Be transparent about pricing and policies. Respond promptly to inquiries or complaints. Here is an example for service providers. If you are a system integrator, offer post-project follow-ups to ensure customer satisfaction. Sharing client success stories on your website or social media adds a layer of credibility and trustworthiness. 10th question: can small businesses build a strong brand without big budgets? Answer is absolutely yes. Branding isn't just about money, it's about the 3 C's: clarity, consistency, and creativity. Focus on delivering exceptional value, maintaining a clear identity, and leveraging low-cost strategies like social media marketing. Here is a pro tip. Use platforms like Canva to create professional-looking graphics for social media. Engage directly with customers online to build relationships and increase visibility. A strong brand starts with authentic connections, not big budgets. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I release 2 powerful episodes every week to help you grow your MSME with practical, proven, and AI-driven strategies. And if you are truly serious about growth, I invite you to join my free AI-driven growth webinar. The link is right in the description. Until next time, stay inspired, stay growth-minded, and keep building.